Welcome to the Netiquette Next and welcome back to the series of Canva. Today we are going to end another amazing video and I'm gonna show and share tips with you which are gonna make your efforts less and make your work really beautiful and really professional. You can do a lot of things just in 5 minutes, and you can use ChatGPT as well in that. If you have different contents and you want to template or edit or design them in the same template and same design, you can have that just in 5 minutes. For example, I'm gonna write here, I'm gonna use ChatGPT. For the viewers who don't know about the ChatGPT, they can watch our videos about ChatGPT. It is really an amazing tool, amazing application which has made the human efforts less. So here I'm gonna search about the quotations of write me 20 quotations of Nelson Mandela. And now it is responding me and generating the quotations of Nelson Mandela. It has given me a quite good content which I'm gonna use in my design today. It is generating the response. I'm gonna copy this text from here and I'm gonna paste it in the Excel file. I already have searched it here, so Excel file is going to appear here. I'm gonna choose the blank one here. I'm gonna put the copied text here, Control V. So the format is not clear, so I'm gonna first I have to clear it. It is cleared now, and now I have to adjust it. Now I'm gonna save this file as CSV file. Quotations, I'm gonna name it as quotation CSV on desktop, and I have to choose this one in docs CSV also, so I'm gonna save it. Yes. Now I have to choose a social media post to design that. For example, I like this template. I have opened it. It appeared here like this, and I'm gonna use this option, the bulk create. I'm gonna click on it. It is asking me whether I have to enter data manually, which is which need more effort. So I'm gonna upload my CSV comma separated file. I have to choose, I have quotation CSV file. I'm gonna open it here. It has uploaded here, and I have to generate it. Here it is giving me option to connect data. I have to connect this data. I have this option. Now it is asking me to continue. I have selected them all. I want to generate all of them. Now it is generating it in bulk. See, I have probably 20 posts in 5 minutes, in only 5 minutes, and in Canva I can schedule them, I can post them on the spot however I want, the same template but the different text, and it is all edited just in 5 minutes. Isn't it amazing? It makes your efforts less and works more professional. So from this point I can schedule them, which is a pro feature, and I can download them as I want. if I want to download them in PNG, I can choose that option from there. I want to download it, so it is being downloaded here, probably near, and now it's going to done. That was for now. Start downloading. That was for now. In the next video I will be sharing more amazing and more useful things of Canva and their feature, tools, and their functionalities. Here is my bulk file. So I was here, it appeared like here. I can use it in extract here, and my files and whatever I have designed is gonna look like this. I can choose this one, and now the second, the third, all of them one by one. All this is being changed. We have designed them in Canva. That was for now. Please look forward to our new video, which is gonna be amazing, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.